Hey, good day guys. So today we're going to be heading on one of those giant pirate ship and we're going to be touring this lake behind me. What's the name of the lake?
Ashinoko.
Ashinoko. So we're going to be doing that. It's about an hour-long tour and it's going to be costing, it's $16.20?
No,
$16.80.
No, 1860.
Okay, we're going to try that again. Hey, good day guys. So today we're going to be going on one of these boats and we're going to be touring this lake. So what it is, it's going to be an hour tour and it's 1840 yen, which is about $20 Canadian, and it's going to be about an hour long. So it's going to be a great cruise. We're basically going to be going from one end of the lake all the way to the other. Now you can't tell because there's so many clouds behind it blocking it right now, but behind that mountain you can see is Mount Fuji. So hopefully at some point the clouds will break out and we'll be able to get some good video of you guys, for you guys, not of you guys. But yeah, so this morning we were at the Hakone Checkpoint Museum, which is just up the street. If you haven't checked that out yet, make sure you check out that video. It's a nice little place. So we are just waiting. We got about a 10 or 15 minute wait.
No, 5 minutes. We have to go.
Okay, gotta go. See you on the boat. Alright guys, so one thing that I should mention, that the ticket that we bought for the 1800 yen was a round trip one. You could also get cheaper tickets that are one way. Usually it's from one end of the lake to the other, so you have that option if you're going to be staying further on. But we wanted to come back here and continue on our way from here in Hakone, so we bought the round trip ticket. Alright guys, so we just finished up our tour here and it was a lovely hour on the water. I do wish though that the clouds cleared up a little bit behind the mountains so we could have showed you Mount Fuji, but that doesn't seem to be the case, but that's alright. Anyway guys, we're about to debark right now, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, let me know, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome and I hope you subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more adventures from here in Japan, and then of course we're always heading to the next place, so I hope to see you all in the next video.